In this video, we will learn how to set up fields, guidance lines, as well as load variety locator files. In order to select the field, go to the Setup button in the bottom left-hand corner. Go to your location in the top left corner of the screen. Select the client, farm, and field you wish to set up. In this case, we will pick 39 West. Select OK. We will have our field complete. Ensure your crop type is set up correctly. Then pick the variety box. If using variety locator, select variety locator map. Pick the drop-down box. Select the map for that field. In this example, I can see this field has 2 varieties in the field. Go ahead and select. Then I will be able to see the map and preview the variety locator map and see what varieties are where in the field. If I would like, I can tell the monitor to give me an audible tone when I change varieties, as well as a visible drop-down notification to let me know I've entered a new variety. Select OK to finish. When setting up your machine on an S700 combine, in most cases the combine will already be recognize the serial number and pre-populate all of your offset measurements automatically. Header settings will take you into physical header settings on the machine, which we will cover in a later video. Once the work setup is complete, you can press OK and return to the screen. If you would like to set up your mapping to paint a yield map on the screen, simply go to a page that has a map on the screen, select the map, use the map layer toggle until you can select dry yield. Once that is selected, select the menu button, select the legend, and fill out the yields for your appropriate crop. Select OK and close out the map. In order to set up a guidance line, you can either navigate to guidance, or you can select Set Track 0 from one of your run pages. If you have tracks already established in the field, they will be listed. As we can see, the 39 West field, our current location, shows 1 guidance track in that field. The Generation 4 display will retain the guidance line from the previous field. So I will need to select the North 40 2014 line, select OK in order for that to become my active line.